No, for real. And the favorite didn't make the finals, but who did? Tonie. Tonie just started hurdling 2 weeks ago. Thank you so much.
So you don't feel like it's already?
Oh, I know I am. But it's like, I'm not trying to put myself like, oh yeah, I know. You know, I don't want to get too into it. I haven't even seen it yet. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah. So what do you feel like the difference between like last year and this year?
Honestly, I feel like last year, being new, a whole new environment or whatever, it's like, I settled.
Really?
Yeah, because I did a lot of comparison. Like, I kept on comparing myself to someone else. Like, if they're doing better, I'm like, I'm doing the same workout. Why can't I do that?
Like from next school or like from high
Here.
Oh, really?
I kept on comparing myself, and that was my biggest issue.
Was it Destiny?
No.
It's okay. You don't gotta say.
Yeah. I mean, you know who it is.
I feel like I don't remember who it is.
It is. Yeah. I just kept on comparing myself because practice were right side by side, and then every time it came on to executing the rest, it just didn't happen.
Yeah.
And I was just like, what is wrong with me? It was just a whole bunch of...
Chuck, brother, I'm telling you, that's one thing I don't even miss you, because like, in your mind, brother, like...
It's a mental game.
Mental,
I kid you not. It is. But this year, I'm going to therapy. Coach Rob's like, I think you should go to therapy. I did. No, then I was like, last year I went to therapy during the fall, but then I stopped when the season started.
Yeah.
So he's like, why don't you try to, keep going to therapy when the season starts and see if that makes a difference. But so far, with therapy, I think it's okay.
So
Like,
you really think you make a difference?
I don't know. I just feel like having someone to just talk to or whatever, it helps a little bit. But not initially. Overall, it's like a you decision to make. Like, you gotta be like, okay, yeah, I'm gonna stop letting that happen. I'm gonna stop doing this, blah, blah, blah. Because I told myself from the jump, from last season, I told myself this season, I'm not doing that.
Therapy?
No, I'm not comparing myself. I am not what would it be like? You know, when you put so much pressure on yourself and then when it don't work out, it's like it breaks you down to nothing.
Yeah.
I'm not doing that no more.
Yeah, bro. I've been there, man, not telling you, because like the last year when I run, brother, that was crazy, because I didn't know what's me in a good shape, and what like me I try to force it. You see me? I understand how that work out.
It's like you just put so much expectation.
Yeah.
And then happening just come crumbling.
Yeah.
I'm not doing this again. So this year, what I did differently, I came, work hard as usual. I mean, I'm pretty sure I'm working a lot harder.
Yeah, I mean,
I'm pretty sure I'm working a lot harder. But it's like, I feel like I've gotten to the point where I'm not scared of the pain no more.
I mean, it's 100 hurdles.
No, like, I'm talking during fall.
Oh.
Because when we be running all them long stuff, that was... I hate long workouts.
Fall.
I hate it.
Rough one,
but I feel like I've gotten to the point where I'm not scared of the pain. Like, I'll run and I'll feel the pain. I'll cry. I'll die. But I get over it,
Yeah.
And then I didn't make no goals.
Really?
Because I feel like making goals, it limits you.
Interesting.
So that's another thing that I did this year. I didn't make no goals at all.
Really?
No. I just work hard. And I'm just going to let my body do its thing.
I first met you that one day. That sounds like some therapy thing still.
No, I did that off my own. Like, it just came to me and I'm like, you know what? I'm not going to make any goals.
Yeah.
So, let's see how that works. Well, so far, I feel good. And I feel like with not making goals, it helps you to not put pressure on yourself.
Yeah, for real.
So, that's something that's working for me so far.
Yeah. I mean, but you did make a team. I didn't know. Yeah, that's World Junior as well?
Pan-American.
Pan-American?
Yeah.
Okay. You're in the 4x1 too? Yeah, because at that, I didn't know where you're from.
Yeah.
Yeah, the 4x1.
I ain't gonna lie. Jamaica did me bad, but it's fine. It's fine.
Like, yeah.
It's fine.
Okay.
I remember that year, so...
You never like it?
A lot of stuff happened, so it's like...
I mean, you don't have to go into detail, you know what I mean? But like, just to kind of protect your thing. How we all know how the system design.
Yes, very corrupted actually.
Yeah.
You work so hard for your spot and then you just get replaced because, oh, they're better than you.
Yeah, so calm.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It's fine though.
That did happen to me too. So
It happens to all of us.
like always, Mr. Last name, Mrs. Last name. Crazy boy. But anyway, welcome back to an episode of the Reason Being Podcast. Isn't it? Today we have the lovely Tonie-Ann Forbes.
I go by Tony. It's okay.
Tony with an IE. Isn't it?
Oh,
Y.
okay. You remember?
Tony with an IE. Isn't it? But usually we just kind of want to get familiar.
Yeah.
So, going Bill, it's, you know, like I said, I need to do this in English for the sake of Texas Tech because we don't want to leave out our athletes.
Okay, bet.
Yeah, for real, because I think when we do ship Hawaii, when I spoke with Shemar, Coach Up was like, yo, man, I didn't understand
for real?
what you say. Yeah, it's like, I'm not
yeah.
talk too fast. I said, yo,
Okay.
all right, so calm it down a little bit.
Well, you
Right.
found the perfect one.
Yeah.
Miss English right here.
Yeah, Miss Foreign. Alright, so go talk about Tony.
Okay.
From the girl, where you from?
I'm from St. Andrew.
I
Yeah.
thought where you come from.
Yeah, but I went to school in Clarendon
Yeah.
because I wanted to be among the best of the best.
But
And at the
Stats
time-
is a good school.
Who?
Stats, Queens,
No.
Wilmers.
Edwin Allen, at the time, they were winning champs. I wanted to be among winners.
Makes sense.
I like to put myself in an environment where they're winners. So it's like it forces you, like it pulls you to become a winner too.
Yeah, true.
So that was my reasoning. Edwin Allen wasn't the smartest school.
What do you mean, like academically?
Yeah, it wasn't. It wasn't. But I'm smart. So like,
Well, I've never heard this one before. What do you mean it's not the smartest school?
like academic wise, compared to the schools in Kingston. Remember, I'm from Kingston.
Okay, yeah, I see what you're saying. I didn't know you're from Kingston, though. Really?
Yeah.
That explains the accent, isn't it? That's the accent.
No.
Because me come and say, oh, you talk so, isn't it? No, seriously, come on to me.
Yeah, I
Come on, tell
mean,
me
my
that's
people
about
are very, proper people, I guess.
So, hold on. St. Andrews, which one is St. Andrews?
Rock Hall.
I don't
It's like,
know.
you know where Red Hills is?
Yeah.
It's like you keep going up.
Okay.
Yeah. It's like 10 minutes from there.
So, when you're there at Jamaica, Tony there? Mm-hmm. Oh. See, I thought you were in the gets.
No.
I thought you was in the trenches in it. I thought you were in Clarendon.
No.
Oh, yeah, Tony. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah. That's smooth. Love
That's it. You didn't even pick up
No,
that. You
no,
was
no,
delayed.
My bad.
Yeah.
My bad. So, all right, Edwin, you want to become among the. So, you have been running tracks for a long time then, basically?
I've been running ever since I could walk.
Really?
I'm not even
You're
exaggerating.
not trying no other sport, no nothing.
Listen, during primary school, my coach had me trying table tennis, I think. Terrible.
What are you talking about?
It's just for fun, but like I was trash.
I feel like you're kind of like.
Netball, trash.
Did you go to a prep school?
No.
And you were doing table tennis?
Yeah, we had it. Yeah, it was nice. But I couldn't do it right. I kept on hitting it too hard and it just wasn't good. But
Okay.
I wasn't good at nothing, actually. The only thing I could do was run.
Really? And you just decided to put some barriers in front of you?
How I started hurling is a long story, actually.
Sometimes still.
Yeah, so okay.
Sometimes.
It started in primary school,
Yeah.
but then it just came to an abrupt end.
Mm.
So I was there. I remember I used to use, because my grandmother, she's a dressmaker, so I used to like use the tape measure and tie it across this table and that chair. And I used to be jumping over in the house. And then, I mean, they didn't say nothing. I'm a kid, come on.
Yeah. Were you the only child? Mm-hmm. Oh.
For 17 years, I have a baby brother now.
Yeah, I saw that on Instagram.
Yeah. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to try hurdling in primary school. So then my coach was like, okay. And we was out there practicing, jumping over, trying to do whatever we got to do. It's primary school. It's not perfect.
Yeah.
You're just trying to get over the barrier. So I was like, okay. I remember this one practice, my mom came and she was watching me. I was just so excited. Pretty sure it was a bad practice, but it's fine.
Yeah.
So the time came to be entered into the meet.
Kirkvine?
It was, it was at GC Foster.
Oh, wow. Good
It was
start.
at GC Foster.
Yeah. Which class?
I don't know. It's in primary school.
Oh, primary school. My bad. I think you're doing.
Yeah, so I don't remember. But I was in primary school, and I went on the track. I full on had a panic attack. My coach had to come in and take me out because I couldn't run.
Tony.
Listen. I didn't even attempt. Like, I went on the track, and I'm like, no, they're too high. They're too high. This is not what I practice with. And I was just crying. The officials, the starters, trying to be like, they're trying to get me to calm down so we could run the race. Nope. Drama queen, going crazy. My coach had to come for me and take me off the track. And after that, never looked at a hurdle again.
Yeah.
Went to high school. So it's like, how do you usually do it? Like class 4, every class 4 people or student or whatever, they always recommended to try hurdles or long jump, other events.
Yeah.
I straight up looked at Coach Dyke and I'm like, I'm not doing it. My mom was there when I said it. I'm like, I'm never hurdling. That is not for me. Never. Nothing could get me to hurdle. Nothing.
Yeah.
And I'm like, whatever. Went through class 4, didn't hurdle. Class 3 came.
So what on you just like sprint?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I've always just been a sprinter.
1-2 or 100?
1, 2.
1-2, okay.
Unfortunately 2. But at one point I started getting good at it, so not too much.
I don't think I can see you running a curve outside of
No, deadass. Like, I was good. I made Carifta 2020.
Really?
2200. I was the winner of the under 17.
2020?
COVID year. I made my first Jamaica team. And then I didn't go because everything got shut down.
Oh.
That's when I started doing good.
Yeah.
Yeah. anyways, we lose the track. Yeah. So then class 3, first year class 3, I didn't hurdle. But you know Tia and Tina, right?
Yeah.
We always meet up is it my first year or my second year? It's one of them. Cause,
Like outside of practice?
No, like in the same year together. Cause they were there before me, but then, yes, in my first year I always meet up with them. Cause first year class 3, me. Second year class 3, them. So they're still class 3.
Yeah.
Yes. So that's when I started hurdling, my first year class 3. Cause Champs was coming up. And I'm not gonna lie to you, I was comparing myself to them. I knew I wasn't gonna get a spot over them. Like, come on.
So I mean, honestly, like, you kind of feel me because I wasn't like following like,
The twins?
Champs, like,
like,
were they like good back then also?
They were.
Really?
Like,
Okay.
they were always good.
Oh.
But they just got better.
But like, yeah.
They were always good. So it's like, when I meet up with them, I was like, I need to go to Champs. And I need to run my individual events.
Yeah.
So clearly it's not gonna be 1 or 2 because they're already there.
Yeah, true.
So that's when I was like, you know what? Desperation led me over to hurdles. I swear, desperation led me over to hurdles. And then I remember when I was like, you know what? I'm gonna try. I told Coach Dyke. He was like, oh, really? Okay. Like he wasn't opposed. So I'm like, okay, bet. Went to the hurdles coach. May soul rest in peace, Mr. Douglas. He just passed away the other day. Yeah, so I feel like the moment he saw me, he was like, this girl got potential. But they had set me for a next year project.
Yeah.
Because I started hurdling like late. I wasn't doing practicing during the fall or whatever. I wasn't doing it.
So about February, January started, okay.
Like 2 weeks before Champs.
Oh, yeah.
Because I was
for real.
desperate.
Oh, okay.
I'm telling you, like, when I'm desperate, Tony gonna find a way.
Magic.
Tony gonna find a way. And believe it or not, he worked with me and he was like, because there were days I was out there in the dark trying to get it right. And he stayed because he drove all the way from Kingston to come train us.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm. Because he's a KC past
student.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, I know what you're talking now.
Yeah.
I know what you're talking now.
Mm-hmm. And he was there with me and he was just sitting me down and he's talking to me. He's like, listen, you can do it. You just have to believe in yourself. Yeah, I remember these talks like yesterday.
So you and him alone out there?
Yes. Everybody else left. It got to a point where they were like, oh yeah, I'm like a coach's pet. Don't care. Anyways.
Naturally.
Yeah. So I used to be out there crying, having breakdowns, and he's not a patient man, but he was very patient with me. Because, old people, they get...
You can't call him that old, like...
No, old people, like, when they get older.
Okay, yeah. I thought you meant like, call him old.
No. Old people, they don't have as much patience.
Yeah, true.
But he was very patient with me. Yeah. I kid you not. Like, I looked up to him, and I was like, you know what? If he can believe in me, I have to believe in myself.
True.
Like, come on. And then I really thought about it. I'm like, I want to go to Champs, so I got to make something shake.
Yeah.
Anyways, I went to the first trap meet. It was at GC Foster again.
Mm-hmm.
PTSD.
So wait, Eddie never run on the grass?
Yeah.
Oh, so just about the squabs and
right. So, went to GC Foster and I was like, I'm going to run this. That wasn't hurdling at all. I was high. The entire race.
Like Mario.
And believe it or not, after that race, the long jump coach, he was like, I want you to try a long jump. Because I had so much vertical, like I was getting high. He's like, this girl can jump. Yeah. Started trying jump. My knees got bad. Not for me. Went back to hurdles full time. Kept on working. So Coach Douglas was like, oh, you're a project for next year, but we just want you to keep going, Yeah. They entered me in Champs. None of them was like, everyone was like, oh yeah, she not gonna make the finals or nothing, but we just want her to get the practice. Yeah. They had the favorite right there. She made finals and I think she medaled the year before.
Who's the favorite?
Brianna Watt. She don't run no more.
Okay.
So I was there and I was like, one thing about Tony, when she tell herself she gonna do something, she gonna do it. No, for real. And the favorite didn't make the finals, but who did? Tony. Tony just started hurdling 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago, and Tony made the finals. They were shocked.
I would be shocked too.
They were shocked, and it was like I feel like that moment, he viewed me different too, because he's like, she wouldn't settle to be a next year project. Like, she wouldn't. Yeah. She made herself
available, ready.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I was like, I really could do it. Yeah. I mean, I came like 7th or 8th, but I still gave a point.
Yeah. No win that year?
Yeah, we did win.
Jesus. Now, when you were there, they went to the unbeaten streak, right?
And then on my last year, we lost.
Who left? Who do you think?
Who left?
Yeah, who do you think make it or they just home was just better? Was it Heidel?
Heidel. We just fumbled bad. We had the people, but a lot of bad stuff just happened.
Yeah, I mean, Heidel's pretty good though.
Yeah, they are. I'm not gonna lie. They've been trying to get it for a long time, and they did. So, it just had to be on my last year when I worked my ass off for everything. But it's fine. But yeah, that's how hurdling started for Tony. Okay. And after that, it's like I started to develop a love for it, and then I got very passionate about it.
So how long it took you to learn the technique where you can say, all right, cool, I'm a hurdler?
It took me some time, because I remember in my second year, I still wasn't the perfect hurdler. Like, if you really check videos, I think I have videos online, like, you can see a lot of stuff off about my technique, but I was getting to the finish line. But, like, over the years, I think by class 2, I don't know if it was, like, first year or second year, but, like, by class 2, I was much better. And it started to become, like, oh, it's not about getting the technique right, but it's like, okay, we need to shave this time off now. Like, you need to start. Like, like when you just start hurdling, and it's like, oh, we need to get the technique right over the hurdle, off the hurdle. It started to become, oh, we need to shave the time off, so you need to start working in between. So the technique wasn't really a problem no more, but you need to start running in between.
Okay.
So, then it just got better and better and better. And then I fell off a year, then I came back.
Why'd you fall off?
I mean, after COVID, I was having a great season, right? That year...
Hold on, tell me how you're going to run the 200 trial.
Okay. All right. I remember Coach Jack's always like, oh, y'all can enter for like 2 events or whatever. Yeah. But that year I entered for 3.
What'd you enter for?
The 1, the hurdle, and the 200. Because I'm like, you know what? Why not?
Yeah.
Why not? Like, for real. I was just like, it is what it is. Yeah. And that year, it's desperation again. No, I'm telling you, like every time I get desperate.
Yeah, fire.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because I was like, I'm gonna make the Jamaica team.
Yeah, man,
One way or another, I'm making it. Because I've been here, 2-3 years now and I haven't made it. Everybody else going and I can't go nowhere.
So all that time you're going to the Carter Trials and World Junior Trials?
Actually, I don't think I have. I think maybe the year before I went, but before that I wasn't going.
Okay, all right.
So that year I was like, I am making that team one way or another. And I remember my mom, she took me to this church. I said, it was a prophet. There was a prophet there. And he was like, you run track or whatever. And he was like, you're going to make the team. And I feel like stuff like that gave me hope to push me even more.
And goosebumps, honestly.
Yes.
Yeah.
That man was knocking me out. I'm dead serious. Anyways. But yeah, and he was also like, you do hair, you go with your hands. He was like...
So you had to hear from him?
Yeah.
Oh, we soon get into that. Watch
Yeah, I entered for the 3 of them. Because I was like, I have to make it somewhere or another.
Yeah.
I did the hurdles. I did the... Wait, I don't remember the order. I know that I did all of them.
Yeah.
But I don't think... I'm trying to remember. I know I made it for the 100. Did I make it for the hurdle? I can't remember.
You probably don't make it in?
I maybe didn't for real.
Yeah.
I really maybe did it.
That's interesting.
And then I had the 200, because the 200 is always on the last day.
Yeah.
And I remember I was sick that day. I was throwing up. Like, for real. And we had to drive all the way from Clarendon to the track that day.
People, hey.
Yes. Maybe. No, for real, because at the time, no one was taking it serious. So maybe.
Yeah.
But I was throwing up. I couldn't eat nothing. Nothing.
Yeah.
And then, when we got to the track, Coach Jack was like, you're not running. Because you're sick.
Yeah.
You're not eating nothing. You can't keep nothing down. Trying to drink water, throwing up. Under the tent, can't do nothing, just laying down sick.
Yeah.
But I was like, I'm running because I'm making this team.
Yeah.
Because I'm pretty sure by the time the 100 didn't work out, nothing worked out.
Yeah.
I just had the 2 left.
Yeah. What was it, 200 beat that time before that?
Oh, it was like 24 something. I wasn't
Oh my
good.
God.
I wasn't good. 24, 25, I was slow. All right, let me just stay with 24. Just stick with 24. But bear in mind, I was like 15 at the time, so.
Yeah.
Anyway. Okay, so I went and I ran the first round. And I'm pretty sure I ran like 24.6 or something. And for me, that was a good time.
Yeah.
And I was sick.
Yeah.
So, and then I felt good running it too, and I'm like, I know I could do much better. So after the first round, I almost passed out. And I made it to the next round.
Yeah.
And Coach Dag, he just didn't want me to run at all. He's like, he don't think it's a good idea.
Yeah.
But I was like, I'm running, I don't care. I made the finals, I'm definitely gonna run.
Makes sense. Come this far.
So I went there. I remember we were standing in, like behind the blocks or whatever. And the guy, he was like, on your mark. We went down, then he was like, stand up.
All in.
I was in one of the, was it 4, 5?
Prime leader, man. Prime leader.
It's like, I think it was like 5.
Yeah.
And I was feeling dizzy, but no one really cares about that.
Yeah.
I'd run myself to death. But, so we got down, started the race, and I just got out.
Yeah.
And I just ran. Because at this point, I wasn't feeling pain. Because I feel like when you're sick, you're not feeling nothing.
Yeah,
you're just running.
Yeah.
So I was like, I ain't got nothing left to lose. I ran. And I won.
Oh, you won?
I won.
Oh.
23-9.
Oh. Fast as I think, man.
Exactly. I've never ran it since, though.
Yeah.
Because I don't mess with the 2 no more.
Good, I don't.
Yeah. But I feel like right now, I really could run some fast times.
I might make you run it outdoor or indoor.
Oh, I asked him indoor. He said, hell no. But
No.
it's fine. Because my hamstrings are funky.
Okay,
He's like,
you,
he don't want me running on the bank, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, you know what, it's fine. Not pushing it. But I feel like I could run a crazy 200. I'm like,
I mean, the 2 here is nice. Not gonna lie.
I know,
It's
but
nice.
I feel like...
Yeah, no. Trust the coach though, for real.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna force nothing. I'm just gonna keep doing my thing.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's when I made my first team.
Did you get the gear?
No.
No.
Remember, we made the
Damn.
team and then Was it like a week or two after? It's like
COVID.
Everything got shut down. First it was Grand Prix, then it was this, then it was Champs.
Yeah.
Karifta.
That was
my heart broke.
What was that like when like Champs got cancelled? Because I feel like
I remember.
I feel like so when Champs got cancelled, it just changed the whole culture of Champs, brother. Because like it has not been the same.
Listen.
It has not been the same.
I remember we were on the dorm, right? Everybody, because we kept on getting calls. Oh, Grand Prix canceled. We're like, okay, fine. Champs still on, right? Karifta got canceled. Part of me broke. I'm like, damn, Champs still on.
Yeah.
Then coach and all the other coaches called a meeting down at the auditorium, and everybody went. And I'm like, oh my God, this is bad, huh? And then he started talking, and his meetings are long as hell, but he started talking, and I'm like, nothing is sounding good. And I'm pretty sure in the middle of the meeting, he got that call.
Jaja.
Then he came back and he told us. I was one of them crying, because a lot of us crying.
Yeah, of course.
I'm like, that's the year I started doing good.
Yeah.
And I'm like, I broke 10. No, not 10.
Hey.
Sorry, y'all.
Hey.
But I broke 13. No,
yeah.
11. I broke 11.
Oh, you talking about the bills?
I broke 12.
12.
What am I saying?
I know what you mean, man.
Yeah, I broke 12 for the first time. I ran 11.9. And then I ran the 23.9. And I think my hurdle time fell down too. Like I was going crazy. Till we started talking about what I'm gonna run at Champs, because my hurdle coach was like, we needed a hurdle because, you know, we ain't got a lot of hurdlers. But you could really pick between the 1 or the 2. And I think I was gonna pick the 2.
Really?
No, because think about it. I just ran 23.9 and I was in shape to run way faster.
I see what you're saying, but like, I mean, it also
and then
like
we looked at the, you know, Champs is set up like, 100 and this and that.
Yeah, the schedule.
We looked at the schedule and we was like, okay, maybe we could get some more time with the 2 and the hurdle, you know?
Yeah,
we looked at all that stuff and I was like, I'll do it.
So Mr. Dyke giving you that much freedom?
No.
Or it just depends on the athlete?
It really depends on the athlete.
Okay.
Because with someone like me, I was doing good in 3 areas. Like I was bound to make finals in 3 areas.
Yeah.
So I got the chance to pick. Like I got the choice to pick.
Yeah.
And hurdles had to be one of them. So it came to picking between the 1 and the 2.
Okay. I guess you wouldn't choose the 100 because like you just walk back basically, because like it's right after, right? Here's the hurdles. Then the
It was pretty close.
Yeah. It's always close.
So yeah, I chose the 2. Everything was in place. And it's crazy because I already had an automatic spot for the 100. I'm trying to remember what I did. No, it was Grand Prix or Central Champs are one of them.
Yeah.
If you come like in the top 2, you get your automatic spot for Champs in that event.
Really?
They have that.
Familiar with Champs again, right now.
And I think with me and Alana, it was one of us. Or me and Karika, it's somebody.
Yeah.
But I got my automatic spot for whatever event that was.
Yeah.
So.
Golden.
Yeah. It was fun. That year, I really had a lot going for me. That's the year y'all would have been like, ooh, Tonie-Ann Forbes. But COVID happened, delayed, but never denied, you know.
True.
So
what happens in Edwin that makes it so like dominant on the high school level? Because brother, like, you know what I'm gonna ask you first, if you can answer. Why are the quads so big?
I don't know. I feel like it's just the type of athletes they recruit.
Maybe. I don't know.
Maybe.
Yeah, I don't know.
I don't know. But every day they be giving us dumplings and dumplings.
Floor. Hey.
But yeah, it was just all them food, and then we had vitamins and all them stuff.
Oh yeah, because boy, I know distinctively.
Yeah.
Much like stronger in the
baddies.
Well, I don't know. You guys are high schoolers. I have no idea.
Oh yeah.
I have no idea.
I mean, I was a baddie, period.
Okay. You learn what day I learned this one here?
Yes, tea.
It's tough, man.
I ain't gonna lie, I became so Americanized, it's crazy. We don't do that stuff in Jamaica. Walk on, brother.
Oh, yeah.
That's real.
You understand?
Yeah, anyways.
I was ready though, Edwin. All right. So, after COVID, during COVID, at the time you left and decided to go to college?
No.
You had one more year?
All right. COVID happened, 2020. I left 2 years after that. Because
Oh.
remember 2020, I was in grade 9.
Yeah.
So I still had time left, unfortunately.
Why unfortunately?
Because I was just so depressed, I guess.
Why?
Because COVID made so many changes.
Yeah, probably.
So I felt
like
depressed
change
or
up on
something.
everything
Yeah, and we was home for so long.
Yeah.
And it's like the routine was just gone. I'm sorry, I like routine. It's like,
You're not seeing routine though.
trust me.
First of all, you have like pink streaks in the hair right now. That's very rebellious.
Yeah, because my birthday, I just turned 21.
That's true. My bad. Happy belated birthday.
Thank you.
Yeah.
But like with routine, I'm talking like, okay, I get up and go to class, practice, you know, weight room, like stuff like that. It's structured.
Yeah.
I like structure.
Okay. Yeah, I got you.
Yeah, that's what I should say. I like structure. So then when all that went away, no school, just stuck at home, trying to do online class,
That's not gonna work.
I was losing myself. And that's the year I got fat. Like I put on weight. I'm sorry. No, like I put on a lot of weight because I'm just home, not doing nothing. I remember
You're
TikTok.
fat.
I got bigger, okay?
Bigger, okay, sorry.
Anyways,
Sorry.
so I remember that was when TikTok started to actually get big.
Yeah.
And I just kept on seeing videos, bored in the house, and I'm in the house bored. I see them trying to make TikTok bored in the house.
Yeah, TikTok is hot them kind of yo.
It was. But yeah, and I was just depressed, couldn't see my friends, nothing. Couldn't go nowhere. Then my mom, she had to go to work because
So
she's a
you were
nurse.
in Kingston or you were in
Kingston,
Okay,
yeah.
all right, cool, yeah. So you definitely was like far away.
Yeah, because they sent everyone home.
Oh.
After the whole meeting, everyone got sent home because,
Yeah.
you know, we had no reason to be there.
True.
A whole virus on the loose, everybody needs to be home with their families.
Yeah.
So
Were you scared?
I was.
I was scared too.
I was, and then for me, I feel like it hit closer to home because my mom's a nurse. She had to go to work. She's an
Yeah.
essential worker.
Yeah.
So if anything's to happen,
She I carry with me though. With her. Yeah.
So that, Jesus. But yeah.
But I have 2 more years after.
Then after COVID, that happened. Then the next year, no one really felt certain about anything because it's like, oh, everyone's like, yeah, Champs is on, but then it didn't feel.
Yeah,
It didn't feel like it. No one really wanted to train because it's like, oh, we're nothing's certain. So we just might be training for nothing.
Yeah.
And yeah, went to training, trained, whatever. And I'm pretty sure that's the year I tore my quad.
Really?
I got hurt. Yeah, I got hurt that year. That was it just killed the season. From February, I was just out, couldn't even walk, bad.
Damn.
But after that year, I had 2 more years left because I left a year early.
Yeah, I did know that. Yeah.
I left a year early. And I was like, I already did CXC.
How much six you have?
I got all of them, I think.
What's all of them? I don't know.
I think we did 7
Oh, okay. Got more than me.
or 6, I don't know.
Yeah,
But
doesn't
I
matter.
got them,
Yeah.
period. I'm smart. And my people was like, oh, you don't study. I'm surprised if you even pass 1. Uncle, Bill, you? Yes. Anyways, love you. No, but I'm just that type of student. Like, I don't study, but I'm just smart.
Yeah. No,
So, yeah, I be passing everything. Grandma's like, oh, you're just God bless. I'm like, I know, right? Hallelujah.
I love the attitude.
Yeah, I'm a little feisty.
Good one. So, hold on. Sorry, Bill. You know you but you just take us 3 a while ago. Boy,
No, because he was like, okay, it's fine.
Bill, boy.
No hard feelings.
Yeah, no hard feelings, Bill. Uncle Bill, sorry. Listen to me. So, it might not feel good. It was like a bummer and whatnot, but like, eventually went and made the Panam team.
Yeah, my last year. That year was a lot. I ain't gonna lie. I went through a lot of weird stuff, but that was more reason to get out of there. Desperation.
Yeah.
The 3rd time, desperation strikes again. I was like, whether I like it or not, I'm leaving.
Yeah.
This year has to be the year. I already have my grades, now I just need the times.
Yeah.
So that year, I guess I just wasn't playing. I was like, it's now or never, because I'm not coming back
Why did it so determined to not come back?
Because I just felt like I was wasting my time. You know, like I already got my my grades and everything. I'm just there doing nothing. All there was like, oh yeah, you should do another year. You're gonna be the face of Edwin Allen.
Nah.
That is not a given. Anyone can get hurt at any point in time, and then what? You think a school's gonna want to take me injured? No.
True.
I gotta go when I'm healthy.
True. Facts.
So, yeah, I made that decision to leave after I got the times and everything. That year at Champs, I came third in the hurdles.
Mm-hmm. Who beat you?
Asharia and James, Alexis.
Oh, really? Yeah.
Yeah.
She did reasons, I know.
Yeah. She's at Barton.
Barton?
Community college.
To this day?
Yeah, she just posted she
opened
her
she stayed
season.
back. My bad. Okay. My bad. Yeah,
I remember.
I said, yeah.
Yeah.
I was like, you left like some time ago. What are you talking about?
Yeah, I remember she had a whole year after.
Yeah.
So yeah, I came third behind them two, and then in the 100, I came third behind, Alana. She ran the 10 that year.
Yeah.
And then Alexis again.
Yeah.
And then me.
Like that girl there, no?
Alexis?
Yeah.
She's nice.
Yeah, some of that spirit, me doesn't like me.
And she kind of come off as quiet too. I don't know.
Yeah, she definitely come off as quiet.
Yeah.
Yeah, but her face interesting to me. I don't know. Not like in a way where like that way I mentioned about like, I don't know. Unique. No, nothing about me. No. No.
I'm sorry, you have to take this part out. What? What do you mean?
Like, I don't know. She don't look. I don't want to say she don't look Jamaican. She look different. She look different. Like, you don't think you look different too?
Oh.
You look different, man. If me tell you look like, you would think of this area.
What? What do I look like?
Stitch.
Oh, no, I love Stitch.
Yeah, so...
I should have worn some Stitch.
So that's not different thing.
I should have worn some Stitch.
I don't mean I say like she look different, brother. She look different. No?
I don't know.
You look like... But no, free man. You don't think... Never mind. You look different too, man. Isn't it?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I mean, I love Stitch. I don't mind. Yeah. Stitch lovers. # love Stitch.
She foreign? I'm foreign friend. I don't know. Actually, I really even call that foreign. Hey, so, third of Champs. Such and such beat you. What time you look for to like leave? What time do you want?
Okay, I just needed to... I needed to...
Like personal, or was it like something that like school was telling you to achieve?
Oh no, personal.
Okay.
Because at that time, remember the 5-6 times I had was the year from 2020.
Yeah.
The 11-9, that's not cutting it for college.
Yeah, nah, hell no.
So I needed to cut that down fast, like a lot.
Yeah.
And then with the 200, I didn't really care. But then my hurdles, I needed to drop that because
yeah,
you need to have some decent times. Even though hurdlers are like a need. Like everyone be needing hurdlers. Like
really?
For some
you think
reason.
so?
Yeah. I don't know.
Really?
But like when I went to Porto, everyone was like, yeah, you bound to get picked up.
Yeah, I mean, also you're also a Tonie-Ann, but you know what I mean? Like,
yeah, but I'm like, colleges want hurdlers. It's like, it's in need or something. I don't know. I don't know if it's still like that.
Yeah, I mean, you know more than I do, so I don't really know.
Yeah. So I was like, I need to get that time down. I did. I got down to like 13.4.
Yeah.
And 11.4.
Oh.
Yeah. I got down to 4. 11.4 and 13.4. And I was like, I'm bound to get into college now. I'm fine.
Yeah.
And then...
Where, I mean, all right, I don't know if it matters now or whatnot. Where do you want to go?
I really didn't have like a school in mind.
Really? I come from Illinois and I have no school in mind.
I just always, ever since I was young, I always told myself, I'm not going to college in Jamaica. Yeah. I've always been foreign-minded.
Yeah.
So to me, any school was okay. Not any school now, but like a Division I type of
but
vibe.
like, all right, but would you like would have gone to like a lower D1?
I did.
I mean, I guess it is in a sense. Yeah,
I did.
That's true.
I started off from the bottom.
Yeah. I mean,
I got up.
But see what y'all say, but like it's still LA Tech, you know what I mean?
Yeah, but it's considered as a lower, like it's not one of them high ones. Like,
yeah, okay, I see what you're saying. It's not like
so I still started from a lower D1.
Yeah. So what about them you like?
What about them?
Yeah.
At the time, they were the only one moving fast enough, and I needed to get a college because it was coming to the point where it's either I get someone to sign me or I have to stay another year. So
you were rushing yourself.
Yes. I shouldn't have. I went through a lot that year, but it's fine.
Yeah.
You learn, you live, you learn. But yeah, they were the only one moving fast. I was speaking to Auburn at that time too. Like I was talking to both of them at the same time. But Auburn was taking so long. And
Yeah, they're probably going through that transitional phase too.
Yes, I'm like, y'all taking so long. I need something that's certain. I need something now. And yeah.
LA Tech.
Did
you like it down there?
I mean, it wasn't bad.
Like, was it like Lubbock? No. I feel like nothing's like Lubbock. It's like...
All right. Ruston is a very, very, very small town.
Oh, it's Ruston. I thought it was Louisiana.
Not Cajun. Not Raging Cajun.
Oh.
Yeah, no.
This is not in where LSU at? Oh.
That's in Baton Rouge.
Oh, I thought it was like...
No, honey.
Oh, okay.
I was in a very small town. Smaller than here. Very, very smaller than here.
Yeah.
And... yeah, the only thing I really liked was that, it's so small so you can walk to anywhere, basically. And it has a lot of trees and it was just nice.
Yeah.
You don't get that here.
No.
Yeah, it's like a desert, but...
yeah, it's something.
Yeah, but the people there, they were good. I'm not even gonna lie. They were good, but...
Did you take a visit?
No.
No. I'm on your serious, man. You just jump and go on plane.
Yeah, I'm very impulsive.
Interesting.
That one, I don't know. I feel like in the long run, when you really look at it, everything happens for a reason. Like that was supposed to be a part of my journey. But if I could go back, I would have maybe just waited.
Would you do it another year?
Maybe I would have just waited on Auburn. I was still gonna leave. I'm not staying. Like I told myself that. Gotta stay true to myself. I had to leave.
Yeah, no, I see what you mean, man. So how's like the school, the environment, the coaching?
The environment was nice. School was okay. It was like, that's the year when I had to really like, have the transition from Jamaican schooling to American schooling.
I mean, it's easier here, honestly.
It's easier, but I didn't know all them stuff. I'm accustomed to like, everything's like in the books because, we don't have AI and stuff like that. You have to know it.
Yeah.
So I was like, damn, this is a lot. It wasn't hard, but it was, with some classes it was hard.
The adjustment?
Yeah.
Yeah. You see once we learn how to do Control F, right.
I figured it out after some time,
Listen, after the first semester, I never, ever, ever had a physical book again. It was all online. Every book a PDF, brother. Me no read. No, I do. But, I'm reading, I know, man. I'm starting to look at reading. I'm not going to lie, man. Reading nice, I know, man. But, like, so now I learn say you can get, like, PDF for your book, then, brother.
Yeah.
Tony, any question? Control F keyword.
Yeah, and it pops up.
Yeah.
I do that too.
Right.
Like, it's easier.
Quizlet. Jeez, piece running red.
Quizlet is a lifesaver.
Yeah.
I swear.
Yeah, if Jamaica have that, man. But they probably do have it still.
I don't know. I just feel like they don't really look for it.
Probably.
Because I didn't know nothing called AI. I was just like, it's in the book. Let me look in the book.
Yeah. I mean, we have a better education system because, like,
it forces you to know it, like concrete, in your cement it in your brain.
Yeah, but them a boy, them man jam all over here, you know? Tony, man, them jam all over here.
Oh, I know.
And them jam right out. You know, send them to high school and just...
It's like everything is just so much easier here.
Yeah. It's just almost
I don't know if it's a good thing.
Yeah, I don't think so either.
Yeah.
Yeah, no. But certain things, like, for example, like, for me, like, it's hard for me to give up, like, convenience, like Spotify, for example. Like, bruh, I can't listen to fucking music on YouTube.
I was a YouTube baby for the longest. I recently got Spotify, like, a couple months ago.
I'm making a lock my screen and do me the dog. I'm going on business.
Yeah. I'm not hating on YouTube babies.
I mean, I use YouTube, subscribe to YouTube channel.
You have a YouTube channel?
What do you think I post this?
Oh, I just thought it was Instagram.
Nah. Girl, you think I record all this just go make clips? Girl, get out of here. What are you talking about?
I'm gonna find it.
It's all good. It's all good. I always, like, post a video and stuff. And, like, yeah. But anyway, like credit cards, debit cards. It's so easy. It's so easy, yeah. Yeah, one thing I learned, one thing I noticed about America that I think my dad pointed out when he came here, people no blue on. People no blue on. When I just a drive, you could have turned up, you know, by stop lights a whole day, them too polite. Jamaica!
I know. I feel like people only blow horns here when they have road rage.
Yes.
Road rage.
Yeah, and that's very rare. Very rare.
Shit, that's why I don't need a car.
Yeah. No yet.
Break that. Move!
No yet. I mean, I tell the boy, everything they far, look, yo. It seemed close now.
Yeah.
But, so you're done in school, I tell her. But anyway, first year.
Okay, so schooling, it was good because I had good grades, but it's like, I really kind of struggled a little. And we had study hall. I hated study hall.
Yeah.
But yeah, had study hall. The coaches, they were nice.
Really?
Yeah, the facilities weren't it. Like,
really? It seems so good on pictures.
It is nice on pictures. We didn't have like our own trainers, you know. We had to be sharing with football, so I feel like
time. Yeah.
So, yeah, we couldn't even get massages, and it was like, we weren't getting taken care of the type of way we needed to be taken
Especially
care
you
of.
come from Medina and
we used to be getting massages like every other weekend. We didn't get I went like the whole season without a massage.
That's crazy.
I know.
That's pretty crazy.
I know.
Yeah. I like getting massage now. Like
you do?
Yeah.
But you're not doing nothing?
Yeah, just like casually get one. Yeah. It's so fun. It's nice.
I believe that. But yeah, they were nice. Coach Claire.
Oh, is it a female coach?
No, he's a male. He
Claire?
is his last name.
Oh, okay. True.
Yeah. I thought he was a female too when I first. Anyways, whatever. He from Bahamas. So, you know, the little Caribbean to it. It was nice. He's low-key like a dad to me.
That's good.
Yeah, we had a good relationship.
Was he the hurdles coach or just like the head coach?
He was the hurdles coach.
Okay.
The head coach is Brian Johnson. He's the sprints coach, jumps coach, damn near everything else coach.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how do you feel hurdling under him versus like Edward Allen?
It was a change. When I got there, I was like, oh, the warm-up is so different. These people had me running a mile.
Yeah.
Why is Tonie-Ann running a mile? But, you know, all a part of the process. Don't know. But the warm-up was completely different. The workouts, they really weren't bad. I don't know. It really wasn't that much different, in my opinion. But we did hurdle a lot more. Damn near every day hurdle.
Really? From like day one?
No. No. Like whenever we did start hurdling, like later down in the fall, it was kind of more than, you know, doing the longer workouts or whatever.
So you feel like it helped you going into indoor? How was indoor, first of all? Like,
indoor was fun.
I bet.
My first indoor was so fun. You know, when you have no expectations and nothing, you just running. Yeah. That was that. And I like that. But after a while, the fun was like, oh no, I really gotta get serious.
Why?
Because I feel like I wasn't taking it serious.
What do you mean? Like it was like too laid back?
Maybe I was just like, oh, it's just fun. I didn't know that, there was like an indoor nationals. Like stuff like that, I wasn't focused on stuff like those. Yeah. So then by the time he told me that, they have indoor this and that, but you have to run a certain time, I was like, I didn't know that. Yeah. And it's like after he told me that, that's when I started running faster. I got down to like 8:15. But
that's not bad.
I know. And I missed it by 2 spots. Yeah. If I had known that early, because I really didn't know.
So what you finna know?
I really wasn't thinking. I was like, indoor nationals. I didn't even know to check rankings and stuff. Like I didn't do them stuff.
I mean, we don't do that stuff.
Yeah, I didn't.
I get what you're saying.
So I was like, maybe it's just like, the top person from there. And I really didn't look into it. Yeah. But then when we actually sat down and he told me about it, I'm like, I didn't know that. So then I started actually running more, like putting more into it. Yeah.
So when you say, hold on, so you were just running to like run?
Yeah, like I really wasn't stressing myself out. Because you got to remember, I'm from Jamaica. Indoors is not a big thing. Yeah. I was focused on getting to outdoor.
Yeah. But I like that's something like I kind of dislike about like us as Jamaicans when we come to do indoor.
I mean, we don't really indoors for the climate change kind of.
I get it, but like, brother, it's fun.
It is fun. I know it is fun. Like, come on.
Yeah, it's fun.
60 meters.
Yeah, I not really run 60.
Oh yeah. You be going around.
Yeah.
That looks dangerous, actually.
Yeah, it's not as bad as I think it is. No,
I feel like it's scary to like cut in and do all them stuff.
If you're in a second place, but if you're in a first, you're alright.
Yeah. But yeah, missed it by 2 spots. And I think I missed it because of that one race. It's like I was running with Aaliyah Armstrong. And I was like, I don't care who this person is, I'm winning this race.
Yeah.
Kid you not, I was right up there with her, and then the last hurdle I hit it.
Yeah.
And it messed up everything.
Yeah.
And the time that I got was 8:14 or something like that. If I didn't hit that hurdle, I would have easily run 8:0 something, and I would have made indoor nationals.
Shit.
That was the last. That was the last.
Chance.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, it was fine. It was fun. I mean, it wasn't necessarily the last chance because we had
Conference.
Yeah.
Yeah. How was conference?
It wasn't bad. It was actually. It wasn't bad, but then it was because I put a lot of pressure on myself, and everyone was like, "Oh, Tony, you could do it." I feel like the nerves got to me.
Yeah. You feel like you're like a step ahead of everyone on the team?
Yeah.
Right.
So it's like, I'm not saying I couldn't handle the pressure, but I feel like at that moment I couldn't.
Yeah.
Like it just got to me.
Yeah.
And I went in the race. I felt good and everything, and then I don't know what happened. It's like in the race, I felt like I was going backwards, and I'm like, what is going on?
Mid-race, you're thinking this.
The moment I got out the blocks, it felt like I was doing one of them reps at practice. That's not good.
Yeah.
It's like the adrenaline wasn't there.
Yeah.
And I'm like, what is going on from the jump? And I was just there trying to, I came third, but I was like, that don't mean nothing.
Yeah.
I was so mad at myself, like nothing made sense. I was like, why now? Like, and that was actually the last chance to actually make it.
Yeah.
I didn't even run through the line. I'm surprised I still get third. I mean,
they're just good.
I was just like.
So outdoor.
Outdoor wasn't bad. I think we had our opener at the home meet.
Yeah.
And I ran 13.2, so that was, because I came in with 13.4 and then I ran 13.2, so opener. I was happy with it.
Yeah.
And then kept on running. It was kind of up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. But I was still on a consistent level.
Yeah.
And then at, what was it, conference? I ran 13 low something.
5? Lower?
No, 13 like, it's either like 13.0 something or 13.1 something.
Oh.
But we're at altitude, so the time got altered. It was at UTEP.
Yeah. Ooh.
Yeah. So the time got altered. But the Coach Clay was like, nah, you could actually run this. So I went to regionals. First round. 13.05. I felt good, but I just felt like God made that happen.
What do you mean?
Listen, I was a complete underdog, right? Went into the race. You have all these LSU people, all these misery, whatever.
Yeah.
Top dog hurdlers.
Yeah.
You had me from Louisiana Tech.
Why you say it's a low?
No, because think about it.
I know what I mean, man.
Yeah. So I'm like, damn. I'm going out here to compete, but I'm like, these people, they've been competing.
Yeah.
I didn't really know. I don't check what time people be running that I'm running. I don't do that.
Yeah.
But I just knew that these people were good.
Yeah.
I had a damn good lineup. Hurdling. Boom. One fell off. Boom. Another one crashed out. Boom. Another one crashed out. I'm telling you, they was dropping
Flies.
And I'm like, shit. Okay. And I got second or third, and I made it to the next round, and that was a PB. A legal PB. Yeah, that was my problem at Louisiana Tech. I kept on getting PBs or whatever, but they weren't legal.
Ah.
Yeah.
Like the meter going in.
Yeah, they weren't legal. So I'm like, I didn't count them.
Yeah, you can't count them.
Yeah. So yeah, I was like, damn, God is really on my side, because if those people didn't crash out, I'm not even gonna lie to you. Hey. I'm being real, like I'm being honest. If they didn't crash out,
get 'em, man.
I know you gotta take your wins, like whatever it is.
Take them, get 'em.
But yeah, I just feel like, you know, that was just a part of the journey.
Yeah.
After that, the nerves got to me. I was in the heat with Great Stock, like.
She did hot.
The semifinals, because it's 2 rounds and then you go to national do the next one.
Yeah.
I was like, Jesus.
Yeah, man.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, that's powerful. It's powerful.
Listen. The moment I got out them blocks, it just didn't feel right. And that's my problem, you know, like, I don't know. At that school, I was suffering from a confidence issue that I never usually had.
Because you feel like you're like that's why I was asking if you feel like that's why because I feel like being like a cut ahead of everyone is kind of like that. Anyway, yeah. Cut above everyone is like, it's like a kind of pressure, but like, I don't know. In a sense, I feel like that can like, I don't want to say tear you down, but like, I don't know. It's something like that, something along that line where like, it's hard to, like everyone's seeing you supposed to be good, and then you think you're supposed to be good, but then you're not being good, and that's not good. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah,
so I really suffered from a confidence issue with that school. Me and my Uncle Bill, yeah. Anyways, so yeah, I was talking about it, and I was just trying to figure out what changed since high school, right? Yeah. And one of the conclusions we came to was that you coming from Edwin Island, the best of the best, right?
Yeah.
Creme de la creme.
Yeah.
And you come to a school that is not nowhere as big or competitive.
Pedigree, yeah.
Yeah, like, it's like a no-name type of school. Like, it doesn't bring that flame, like, yeah, oh yeah, I gotta do this, like, for team. Like, it wasn't like that. So I feel like because I didn't have that, like, the team
camaraderie, like
everybody's so competitive. Yeah. Like, we have the chairs, like, everything was just, you know, it was different.
Isn't it?
Yeah. And it was just like, as you said, like, it was kind of just me.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't mind that. Like, I love attention, but I like challenge.
Yeah, we know what you mean. Yeah.
And I wasn't getting that.
Yeah.
So I feel like when I put on the gear, I wasn't feeling the confidence that I needed to feel.
Yeah.
It's weird. I don't know.
I mean, you come from Edwin Island just like
I wasn't feeling, because when you put on Edwin Island gear, like...
Yeah, I can only imagine.
Everybody scared. Yeah. Like, the moment they see it, they scared. And that just gives you, like, a different level of confidence. Like, it boosts you.
I mean, the same way you were talking about, like, those LSU people. Like,
yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. So I'm like... I didn't feel that from that. Like, just by putting on the school, the gear, I didn't feel that. Yeah. So.
Didn't feel like home.
Yeah, it really didn't.
Yeah. No, that way, man. So was it that moment or during that time, cycle of life, you're like, I'm out? Yeah, after regionals. That's when I was like, so many stuff was going on. I'm not even going to say it because I don't want to. Yeah. Did you talk to anyone? My uncle. Okay. And is he like a track and field person? Like, does he know what's going on? He loves track. Okay, all right, that's good. He loves track. But he only, like, when it comes down to me and track, he knows how I get. Like, I'm just like, oh, I fluctuate, so I'll do hella good, and then boom. Yeah. So, I remember he didn't want to come to Chance the last year, because he's like, the last year he came, I didn't even make it. I didn't medal. Yeah. My mama had to drag him there. And then I was like, "Jeez, I did it." Like, what? And you know what? That best years too, honestly, like. Yeah. Shit. But yeah, he is a track person. He be following up everything. Like, he be asking, "How's fall going? Yeah. What the coach saying?" I'm like, "I'm not telling you nothing. Yeah. I'm not telling y'all nothing. Y'all gonna have to just wait and see." True. Nothing. True. Last year, Mama was like, "You talk too much. Stop telling people." You know, like, Jamaicans don't tell people wagwan. Yeah. So I'm like, you know what?
I ain't saying nothing. Yeah. Y'all gonna have to wait and see, for real.
True.
Nobody knowing nothing.
True. I mean, I know. I know.
Nobody knowing nothing. But yeah, where was I?
Flip.
Yes. So after we came back for regionals, I was like I really did some self-reflection.
Yeah.
I was emotional, yes. It's not good to make decisions when you're highly emotional.
Yeah.
But I was really thinking about it. I'm like, I don't see myself graduating from this school. Right? And
that's big, honestly.
I don't.
Yeah.
And I just don't feel like this is for me.
Yeah.
I want to get to a certain level, and I feel like I'm not going to get that here.
Yeah.
And it's like,
so you want to go pro?
I do.
Okay.
And it's like a constant fight or whatever. But yeah, called my uncle, we went on the phone, and I'm like, at that moment, I was the top freshman hurdler in America.
Yeah, I seen that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we both was like, if you go in that portal, you have to get picked up.
Yeah.
Because who doesn't want the top freshman hurdler?
Yeah, true.
So I was like, you know what, you're right. Then I had a talk with the coach. And yeah, next day I made a decision, went in the portal. Everything changed, but I had faith. Yeah. And I had faith because, all right, my best friend, Lakwe, she's like the religious side of me. Like, she keeps me grounded.
Yeah.
Like, she's all the constant reminder, like, you gotta pray, you gotta talk to God, like, whatever you're going through, yada, yada. And I'm like, you know what? That day we spoke, and she was like, just talk to him, like, he's listening. Before I made the decision.
Yeah.
I sat in my bed and I cried, and I was talking, like, someone was right next to me talking.
Yeah.
And I'm like, please, God, like, give me some type of sign, like, help me make the right decision. Let me know that I'm making the right decision by going in this portal.
Yeah.
Kid you not. That same night, I dreamt that I was at, like, a track meet. And I wasn't in Louisiana Tech gear. Didn't know what I was in, but I wasn't in their gear. And it's like, I saw them on the sideline.
Louisiana Tech?
The coaches, and they were watching me. And I was doing, like, I did good, but the main part of the dream was that I wasn't in their gear. That was my sign.
Yeah. That
was my sign.
Yeah.
So I was like, now I'm gonna walk with faith.
Yeah.
Because I already know that, okay, God basically said that I got you. Like, you're making the right decision by going in that portal.
Yeah.
I did it. Didn't know where I'm going.
Yeah.
Nothing. But I knew that I was gonna figure it out. Like, I knew that God was gonna help me to get to the right spot.
Yeah.
I kid you not. I think Texas Tech was the first school to text me.
Oh, yeah.
And I purposely ignored it.
Why?
Because since high school, I've just hated Texas. I'm like, I don't want to go to no school in Texas. No, Texas, the state. I'm like,
excuse me?
I don't know why. Like, it's just like, I don't want to go to Texas. Like, I don't want to go to no school in Texas. Like, that's how I've always been.
Really?
So when I saw Texas, I'm like, Texas.
Yeah.
Why Texas texting me? And then there was this other guy. I think he helps recruit. Maybe you might know him. I don't remember his name. But he called me. Like, he texted me on Instagram, and then he called me. He's like, he don't think I know him or whatever, but he always comes to towns and he helps people get to school, blah, blah, blah. Then he was like, Texas Tech reached out to me and they were interested, and yada, yada. And he talked to me, and I'm like, oh, okay, fine. I'll give Coach Rob a call or whatever.
Yeah.
So I emailed him back. And at that time, they were at nationals. Because, we just left regionals, went in the portal, they got nationals. And Coach Rob called. Like, he called me and we talked on the phone. And from that moment, I was like, I respect him.
Yeah.
Because other schools, they texted me, hey, I will talk to you like after we get done with nationals because, we're trying to lock in or whatever. And I'm like, this man took time to call me.
I mean, they pretty confident, though. You gotta understand that. Like,
yeah, but like...
you know what I mean? Like,
yeah, so I'm like, okay. So I listen to him. He's like, I'm not saying Texas Tech is the best place, but, it's a lot of words.
Did he tell you used to coach there?
Actually, he did. I don't remember if it was on that call, though.
Yeah.
But he did tell me, like, I know we talked about it on my visit or whatever, but we was talking on the phone, and I wanted to go to somewhere that would give me the level of competition like competition that I needed because I was by myself.
Yeah, I know what I mean, man. Yeah.
And among other reasons, like other things. And then I was like, you know what, fine. I'm gonna go on this visit. The same, like he got back from nationals, like let's say he got back Sunday morning or something. Yeah. I was there the next day.
Damn.
Or I think,
God
I don't even
damn it,
wanna
Anna.
lie, like I don't even wanna lie. Or I think the moment that they got back in the night or whatever, and I was there the next morning.
Tell us something. So they want. So they want you. They want you, brother. Yo, remember one time, I'm saying it's not pato. When me that transfer from Iowa to Texas Tech, brother, from Mexico, me go. You know, because I forget myself where I knew I-20 or something like that. Believe you me. And it's like you have left the country. Yeah, dog. So the loophole they use that, yo, instead of left, and come here, I think me forgot Jamaica. Brother, you just go across the border, walk from and get a stamp and you're good enough. Dog, them fly loophole, friend. Big man thing.
No, I didn't know that.
Yeah. Big man thing, them fly loophole.
Yeah. Then I came on the visit. And after I went on the visit, I didn't go on no more visits.
Home.
I was just like, yeah. Because I wasn't chasing money. Because there were schools that were offering me like hella money and stuff like that. But I just didn't feel like that was a place for me.
Yeah.
Right? But then when I came here, I was like, the next place I go to is not going to be because of, how much money I'm getting or whatever. Like, it has to be the place that could get me to where I need to get to.
Yeah.
And I have to feel like, I belong at that,
Yeah, I know what you mean, man. Yeah.
So I'm like, I low-key feel like that here.
Yeah.
And then I just stopped responding to everybody else.
That's mad.
One visit, and I was like, I'm not going nowhere else.
That's mad. I mean, we're glad to have you here, obviously.
I mean, yeah. Coach Rob keeps saying I'm a pain in the ass, but it's fine.
Yeah. I mean, I just kind of saw him talk. Man,
I know.
Yeah.
I know.
Yeah.
Big teddy bear.
Yeah. Okay, I don't know about that. But,
Yes.
I don't know. I'm a guy. I don't get that. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, you're not supposed to.
Yeah. True. So, the first year, I think, even if I talk on camera at the time, though, I talk about, say, the rough and thing. But even know.
At Louisiana Tech?
No, here.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, my first year here, it was nice. Like during the fall, I trained hard because I made a promise to myself I was gonna work harder during fall. I'm not gonna be scared of the long workouts, whatever, blah blah blah.
Yeah.
And I really did put the work in during the fall. And then season started. First meet wasn't nothing what I wanted. I set my goals and everything last year.
Yeah.
And I was just trying to get to them. But it's like,
what were your goals last year?
I don't remember them times. It was some crazy ass.
Oh, you had times.
Times. Like, I had time goals, and then I had like, I want a medal, I want to, make it to indoor nationals and da-da-da. I'm not going to be ungrateful and say I didn't achieve anything, because I did.
What did you achieve?
I did make the podium in a conference. I came third.
Yeah. Won the title.
Yeah.
First in history.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I did make nationals for outdoor.
True.
So it's like I did achieve some of the stuff, but it's like I feel like I didn't achieve what I wanted to.
Which was what? What was like the main thing?
I wanted to break 13 so bad. Like I'm right there, 13:05. Like the 12 is right there.
How hard do you think that is to break?
I ain't gonna lie, it's difficult to break like a 13 to 12, or like a 12 to 11. Like it's always difficult to break the barriers.
The first time.
Yeah. But once you break it, you break it.
Yeah.
And I'm just like, oh my God. And I feel like I was just thinking about it too much.
Yeah.
Like every race, I'm like, why? Like, which one is gonna be the one?
Yeah.
None of them was.
No, I kind of understand why you say you have no goals this year.
Yeah.
I get it.
I'm not making I'm taking a whole other step. I'm making changes. Like one thing with me, I feel like the more I do try, the more I start to understand myself as a person. Because if you keep staying one type of way, you won't really see no type of changes. Like you gotta play around with it. Like, okay, I did that last year. Let me switch it up this year. Let me do this. So it's like, I feel like that's where I'm at. Like I'm starting to understand my body. Like when it comes down to running, like okay, if your body's saying like, no, Tony, listen.
Ah.
If you're like, I'm learning to understand myself.
Yeah, I got you.
Because usually I'll just run like a mad person. I'll be like, push myself to the limit. Some crazy person. But now it's like, you really don't have to do that. And I feel like the older I get, I'm like, you really
You're
don't.
21 years old. What are you talking about? The older I get.
Relax, okay. I'm getting older, but I'm just feeling like
true.
I'm gaining knowledge about stuff, like not only myself, but like how things work. I don't have to be pushing myself to the limit every day.
Yeah.
To get to that level.
Yeah, that's one thing. Like, that's one thing with like here, self-love, but like here, like what we learn is that, brother, like you know, I feel like I kill yourself for real, yo.
Yeah.
Brother, it program build so I don't even know if I explain it that.
Yeah, I don't know either.
Yeah, like it be that way, like yo, you don't know if you do them 200 day for the bank, the 150, 170 for the bank.
I didn't.
170.
I don't really work out on the bank. I don't
No,
really.
no.
I do a lot more this year, but last year, no, not at all.
So you just leave from the street that way?
Yeah, I run on the gray.
Oh, okay, I got you.
Yeah. But I did do like 150 on the bank the other day and like 350 or something. Oh. Yeah, I did do actual work on the bank. It wasn't too bad.
Okay, I think you just, because when you were saying that, I thought you meant like you just lived on the gray. I mean, on the straight.
No.
Sometimes I forget about the gray, honestly.
Yeah.
I forget about the gray. What's the worst workout you've had here?
I mean, this year, nothing beats soccer fields. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
It's just always soccer fields. I don't know.
Yeah, no, soccer fields is punishment.
It just does something to me. Like, I feel like the jog over there is the workout. Yeah. And then my body just can't recover enough to do the actual workout. It's like, oh, if I'm not cramping, I just moving in slow motion. And then it's like, oh, if everybody don't make the time, we're doing another rep.
You're supposed to do it like real technical and all that, yeah.
And I don't think nothing beats that. Like, I'll do them 350s, whatever. Like, it hurts, but I can do it.
Yeah.
But I don't know.
Yeah. So what do you feel like he's trying to like teach people by doing that?
The soccer field?
Yeah. There has to be something because like I feel like
it's you gotta learn how to work through fatigue. Like when you feel like you can't go no more, you can. Like you can. Like there's always more you can do. I feel like that's the biggest thing for me because every time I do that jog, like sometimes I ain't gonna lie, like I be stopping. I'm like, what am I doing?
Yeah.
I can't feel nothing. Like I'm just running. And then, you know, when you run for so long, you start to feel so heavy. I'm like, oh. Yeah. But yeah, and then you got to go there. You sit for like 2 minutes. And then you got to go right back to it. Even when you feel like, oh, you couldn't do it, like you can still do something. Yeah. So maybe that's it. I don't know.
Maybe, I don't know. It's on you, you know what I mean? Whatever you feel like you get from it type thing.
I don't know.
Yeah. So how do you like recover?
How do I recover?
Yeah, like after something like that.
I don't know, actually. Sometimes I lay down. Okay. Sometimes I lay down. Yeah.
Okay.
Ain't much you can do. Like your legs, like nothing works. You can't feel nothing. It's like your whole lower body is
shot,
crippled.
Yeah. No, for real. Yeah, it's
you just gotta lay down and feel the pain.
It's horrible. But I'm talking about like more recovery, like after everything.
Oh, after.
Yeah, no, that's cool.
I mean, the typical. You drink water, you hydrate.
Yeah. Do you like the boots or do you prefer like ice bath?
I rather ice baths. Oh, okay. I really do want to take one. I keep forgetting.
I mean, you don't gotta take. I mean, I don't know. It's different now.
Yeah, I know, but I want to take one. It's good to remember where you're coming from. That's
real. Yeah.
Because
I have the boots at home. Oh, so nice.
I use it every now and then, but that's
it feel like it. I don't.
So. I mean, it helps the blood flow or whatever. But
but no, sorry. You need to feel its own pain.
Yes.
Yeah, for real.
Like you're in ice and it feels like fire, and then
it's just numb.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, where was we? Track.
Yeah.
And first year here, I said it was hard. Yeah. So went through fall, started the season, started running. Things just wasn't working out, in my opinion. Coach I was like, I'm pretty sure I'm not doing as bad as I think I am, but I'm very hard on myself.
Why?
Because I don't want to say that's all I've ever known, but that's kind of all I've ever known.
Class 4 is a long time.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a long time.
So, yeah. When I want to get to a point, I feel like I'll stop at nothing to get there, kind of. But then that also does a lot of more harm than good.
So what you do outside of like trucks for just take your mind off, right? Nothing?
I don't really do much. I like watching scary animated stories.
Like anime or just like,
No, animated stories.
what does that mean?
Scary animated stories. You know, like the cartoon looking things and they talk scary stories.
What the fuck are you talking about? What? Like, is it like on a streaming service or like on...
No, on YouTube.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
I've never heard
I've
of
been
it.
watching those since high school for years. I'm a loyal subscriber.
Okay.
Every video I watch it. Yeah, and what else? Sometimes I listen to music.
I do hair.
Oh yeah, I be doing hair. Bust down. I be doing hair, but I don't really. I mean, I kind of use it to take my mind off stuff for real.
I would imagine because you're
Yeah,
like, you
I
have to
do.
like focus on like do it.
I mean, yeah. I like when people come to me and they're like, "Oh, I want to do this," and I'm like, "What the hell?" Okay, let me lock in.
You
You know,
get
something
nervous?
crazy. At first I did.
Really?
I ain't gonna be like, at first I did, like, I was like, I got to the point where I'm ready to start. My hands low-key shaking. They can't see that though. But I was nervous. But now I'm not. I'm just like, what style you want? Send it. Anything you send, I'll do it.
Really?
Like, I'm that much confident
You
in
like
myself.
practice or you just like do it then and there?
Then and there.
Really?
Yeah. I'm low-key, I got real good. Like,
Yeah.
I started off being like mid. Because I used to practice on myself. I do my own hair still. But yeah. And then I just got more confident in myself
Yeah.
and my work. So now if someone sends me the craziest style, I will sit down and I will do it right. And it will turn out just like what they sent.
How long? What's the longest time you ever spent on the hair?
8 hours.
8 hours? Mm-hmm. On Saturday, that Sunday?
And to be honest, the longest, that time was when I was doing my own hair.
8 hours?
Yeah.
That's a job.
I know. Because I was doing some long ass. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
But otherwise, it's like, it's around like 7, 8 still. But
What?
I feel like, no, like, the girls be wanting long hair, so that takes time.
Oh, you
but
know,
like,
but they asking
with
what
men,
periods do it, brother.
no. With men, it's like 3 hours max.
Okay.
Yeah, and it depends on what they want. Like, if they want cornrows, it's like maybe 2.5 hours or 2 hours, depending on the hair type and everything.
Yeah.
But yeah, with females, it takes a lot more because they don't want their natural hair braided. They want,
Yeah, bust down. Yeah.
so that takes time. But yeah.
So what's like, what do you like for yourself? I mean, now you're like rocking a bob and that. But like, what's your favorite hairstyle?
I don't know. I kind of like, I'm going to go to like, you know, knotless braids, but I'm taking a break from it. So y'all going to see a lot of wigs.
Where'd the pig come from? What's that?
I wanted a pink theme for my birthday.
Yeah, I mean, I like it. It's nice.
So I was like, I don't want to wear a full pink because I'm not that bold. But
Not
I
yet.
could do highlights.
Okay.
So that's what I did.
Oh, I mean like pink here, right? Oh, yeah. I mean, the highlights are nice.
Yeah, so I
nice.
just did highlights. So you see it, but it's not overshadowing the
Yeah.
whole thing. Cannot do a full pink here.
Is pink your favorite color? Mm-mm. What's your favorite color?
Aqua, blue.
Ah.
I have a lot of pink stuff. People always be like, you can't tell me pink is not your
Pink
favorite
boots and
color.
all that. I thought. Yeah, those are nice, actually.
Yeah, I got them from a rainbow or whatever.
I don't know what that is, but okay.
Yeah, it's some cheap place.
Oh, that's okay.
Yeah.
As long as you're making real cash, it doesn't matter. Yeah. Does not matter. Cash is king.
Yeah.
How you feel about like NIL?
NIL.
Yeah. Love it, hate it, want it, won't get it. I don't know. How do you
Want it, won't get it.
Want it,
think.
won't get it.
But I'm seeing like people still getting it, like some international. But it has to be with like one of them old international brands, like Adidas or something.
You know who I want to talk to? Dejanay Oakley.
She got some too.
She got with On. She's with On. Like
Yes,
most
I
of the
saw
Jamaicans
it.
are with Puma, but she's with On.
Or Adidas or something.
Nah, she's with On.
I know.
Yeah. I want to talk
How?
to her.
I don't know.
I don't know, but that's
Isn't
that's
that an
different.
American brand? Or is it?
No, it's something else. It's not an American brand. Is it American?
if it's as long as it's not solely American.
You can
get it.
Yeah. It has to like have a base or something like that.
I need some type of NL, but I don't know. Like I don't know how they get it. I mean, I know that they run fast, but like I don't know if they have connections or something like.
Maybe after this year you'll find out. You let me know, sure, because I'm trying to figure it out too.
Yeah, I don't know, but I will figure something out.
Yeah.
Gotta find a loophole.
How do you feel about going into the season?
I feel really good. Pretty chill. I mean, I'm not expecting too much, but I'm not expecting too little.
Okay.
I'm just kind of going with the flow kind of vibe.
Yeah, flow state.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's going to be just hitting flow state, just staying there. I mean, pushing myself, yeah. But I'm not going to get in my head. Like, that's my biggest thing.
Yeah.
I'm not trying to get in my head, because the moment I start doing that, that's when I start to mess up.
Yeah, true.
So, not doing that at all. And it's crazy, because the other day, I practiced. Yes, was it Tuesday? Is it the same day? I think it was Tuesday. It was Tuesday. I was throwing a tantrum, I think.
What?
Yeah. I got a whole attitude because the warm-up, right? Because he's introducing us to the competition warm-up.
Ah.
So, but then, it's designed to actually take breaks or whatever, but we couldn't take no breaks. Then I see him adding hurdle hops. I'm like, we don't do this? He's like, yeah, no. Then he told everybody, we don't do this in the actual thing, but it's a part of the workout today. I don't know, I just felt so irritated. I'm just like, I'm tired. Why is the warm-up doing this to me? Like, it don't usually do that. Yeah. But, I mean,
the warm-up here is pretty long.
It is.
It's pretty
long.
And
I was just like, why is there more stuff over and over and over again?
It's to keep you, it's like to get you, like, firing, because like if I see like marathoners for them run, and basically go run.
I know, but that's them now. But
I mean, it's the same.
Listen,
thing. Yeah.
What I'm starting to realize with my body, I've been realized this. I have to put a level of effort into the warm up to have the results I need. Because when I be warming up this fall, the last fall compared to this fall, my warm ups.
Intentional.
Yes, like this year, like I'm moving. Everybody's like, Tony, why you warming up so fast? That's how my body benefits.
Yeah.
Because last year I was just going through motion. I'm new, so I'm just waiting on everybody, following everybody. Yeah. But this year I'm like, you know what?
Taking charge.
Exactly. Yeah. And it's working out for me. Like when I get my body warm.
Ready.
But the other day it was a lot.
It's okay.
And I was just mad. So then I was sitting down and coach, I told Bree, I'm like, Coach, I'm about to call me. He about to yell at me. Because I was sitting down. Everybody else doing the hurdle drill. Yeah. Then as soon as I said it, Tonie-Ann, I'm coming. Anyway, so I went there and I was doing it. And he's like, we about to see. What he said? He said another, what the hell he said? He said like, oh, we about to see that side of Tony today. I'm like, what side? He's like, the beast. I'm like, that's a good thing. He's like, I don't know. I'm like, oh, it is a good thing. And that workout was pretty good. And I was about to cramp too. Like, I was cramping because I didn't hydrate, whatever. But he was like, maybe we could just take it there. I'm like, no, I'm working out. Yeah. So I was just there with the massage gun. And I'm drinking Propel. I'm doing all this because I'm doing this workout.
Yeah. What was the workout?
It was hurdle stuff.
Okay.
So then after the workout, I was like, I did it. You thought I wasn't going to do it, though. He was like, yeah. Because there's two sides of Tony. I thought I was going to get I don't want to be here. I don't want to do that. I'm like, listen, that side of Tony is long gone.
You feel like you're kind of emo?
If I like black, like...
No, not like black. You're black. I'm saying like emo. Like, what's that?
Emo, people that just obsessed with black.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, no. But I like black.
Okay.
But I'm not emo. Emo is like...
Yeah, I'm just chilling.
Yeah.
I'm gonna kill myself.
Let me not say that.
No.
Yeah.
Never that.
No.
Never that.
But yeah, I do like black, but I don't think I'm emo.
Like
I will go for that look one of these meets though. Black. Like y'all gonna see it.
Like the eyeshadow and shit?
Yes, black, then black. I'm gonna look crazy, but I'm gonna do it just because. No, like, I really want to do it. Like,
what's the name who does that? Rochelle Clayton. She wears, like, black lipstick.
Yeah, she does.
Yeah.
But I'm like, I'm gonna put, like, black bust down. Then I'm gonna do, like, the black, and then the black. I feel like I would pull it off, though. I ain't gonna be like. But I want to do that when I'm wearing the black. Like, because they usually be like, oh, wearing black or just black.
Yeah.
So I'll be like, I'm gonna plan it to do it, like, one of those days when I'm wearing full black.
Yeah.
They're gonna be like, what the hell's wrong with that girl?
I ain't gonna lie, I'm excited to see you this season. I'm excited to see the team this season, man.
I feel like we're gonna do real
like
good.
it
Like, it's a strong team.
Yeah, y'all are fast, man. Y'all are like really fast this year. Y'all are really fast.
We are.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah, I don't know.
I'm expecting a lot from this team too. Like,
yeah. Hopefully, y'all win.
Oh, we will.
Yeah, I mean conference and all. I'm talking about like nationals. Like, you know,
Oh, we're going for it.
Yeah.
Have we ever won?
What are you talking about?
No, the girls.
No.
That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, that's what you're saying?
Yeah.
You feel like we're not good this year?
I don't know. I feel like we have it. The people just need to. We need to step up.
Yeah.
Like we need to just step up and believe in ourselves for real. Because I feel like we could do it.
Yeah. You know what surprised me last year? Tonie-Ann.
Yes.
Britta.
Yes. She is so good.
She's tough, man. She's tough.
And she's on a roll again.
Yeah.
So let's see. Yeah. And I feel like more people like her is just gonna keep popping up. Like people who you really like. Oh, she good, but I didn't think she could do that good.
Yeah.
I feel like more people gonna be popping up.
So do you feel like an underdog still?
Me, I do.
Mm-hmm. In the sense of like collegiately or like from a national, not collegiate, but yes, collegiately or from like Jamaica?
Both.
Both? Okay, definitely.
I feel like regardless or despite what I'm doing right now, it's not known to the world, right? Yeah. So as long as it's not known to the world, I'm still an underdog to the world.
That's true. That's a good point.
So I do still feel like an underdog.
Yeah.
But
I mean, you have the best advantage though.
That's the thing. I like being an underdog.
Yeah, not for
no
long.
one expects nothing from you, right?
Not for long.
Oh. yeah, but I like being an underdog, but I feel like it's time for me to step out into the light.
Yeah, nah, for real.
No, like,
for real.
It's always like, this is one thing that I don't really like when people say it to me no more.
What?
It's like, oh, Tonie, your time will come, your time will come. I've been hearing that all my life. Your time will come, just be patient. You know what else I told myself this year? I'm done sitting around waiting for my time to come. I'm going for it. Like, I'm going to take it. Because what you mean? Like, what you mean, oh, your time will come? I've been sitting and waiting all this time. Oh, it will just miraculously happen. No, it's not going to happen.
Don't look after those natural most milk. That is not true.
You got to push the rest of the siblings out of the way.
Get your milk right
Eat or be eaten. Like,
dog eat dog. Dog more dog than bone. Feel like a joke.
Yes. So, that's another thing. When people's like, oh, Tonie, your time will come. That's just, the moment I hear that, you know when someone just disassociate? That's me.
Yeah, I
just shut down. I'm like, I'm not listening to you no more because you don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's another thing I told myself. I'm done listening to that stereotype. Oh, or whatever. Oh, the time will come and you just gotta be patient and keep working. I've been doing that for a long time.
There's some truth into it, but I do get what you're saying.
I've been doing that for a long time, but I also feel like that saying, it's not completed. Like you can't just leave it at that.
Yeah.
Because
it's like saying prayer works. You gotta do the work.
You gotta
you gotta do the work.
Yes,
you gotta do the work.
You can't just be like, oh yeah, your time will come. You just sit there and not go for it.
Yeah, true.
I feel like the people that got to that level, like, you know, they're the big shots or whatever. Yeah, their time, they were told that, but at the same time, they took that and be like, yeah, my time will come, but I'm going to work towards that time. Like,
real.
It's not just sitting there and be like, okay, yeah, my time will come. I put the work in. I'm just going to wait for it to miraculously come out. No.
So, would that be an advice you tell yourself, or do you have advice that you tell your past self? Your younger self, sorry.
I mean, I tell myself that now. I guess I would tell my younger self that.
Yeah.
What I would tell my younger self, though, I've been an only child or whatever. I'm spoiled.
Yeah, I mean, I can tell.
Yeah, so it's like, if I want something, I gotta get it.
Yeah.
And I'll stop at nothing, right? No. I'll stop at nothing. Like, if the people that really know me, they know how I am.
Yeah.
But they still decide to be my friends. I still love them.
Yeah.
Most of them are family. They don't have a choice. But yeah. Yeah, like, I guess I'll tell myself, you need to be more understanding when it comes on to real life.
What do you mean?
Like, what I said, like, yeah, I want this, I want that, I want this, but I'm not just gonna get it as soon as I want it. Like, things in life takes time for real.
Yeah.
It's not just when I'm a kid, I'm like, Mommy, I want that phone. And if she don't get it for me, I throw a tantrum and then eventually I get it, you know?
Yeah.
It's like, oh, it's kind of like real life started in my last year in high school. It's like, someone's not gonna send me to college. I'm gonna do it myself. I had to work for it. I couldn't be like, oh, I want to go to college. You better get me in. Like, no. I had to sit my ass down and understand that, okay, this real life.
Yeah.
You gotta work for this. Like, you gotta work for what you want.
Yeah, true.
It's not gonna just be given to you. But at the same time, I would tell myself, don't change for the world, though. Change for yourself.
What would you change about, like, growing up?
What would I change about growing up?
Yeah.
About growing up?
Yeah, like...
What do you mean?
You say you wouldn't change for the world, but change for yourself. What would you change about?
Okay. All right, growing up, I've always been told, oh, you got a bad attitude, you got a stink attitude, da-da-da-da, right? And I feel like you can never please people, right? But you can please yourself. So it's like, don't make changes for someone else. If you want to change something, like, you make it for yourself.
Yeah.
Because at the end of the day, who's going to benefit from it? You.
True.
Like, someone will be like, oh, change that. You change it. Then change something else.
True.
You change it. It's like you can never please them. But when you change something for yourself, and it means a lot to you,
it's what you want.
it works.
Yeah.
Because even with me, like, my attitude was stink. It still is. It comes out a little...
Progressively, as the interview go along, me start see it.
Yeah.
Me not attend the lines. I mean, I have to ask if you only child.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, it was stink. But I've came a long way, trust me. I've came a long way. I've known where I'm coming. I know where I'm coming from.
Yeah.
My mom knows. But, you know, I've come a long way. And I like the progress that I made. And I didn't make it for someone else. I did it for me because at the end of the day, if I want someone to help me, I can't be giving a whole bunch of attitude or whatever.
True.
Like, impressions last.
Yeah, no, for real.
And if I'm just like a brat and da-da-da-da, and oh, I want my way and I gotta get it, who's gonna help you?
True.
Right?
There's always a gatekeeper.
Yeah, so I had to figure stuff out. Still figuring it out. I don't think something's gonna change though. Like, I'm gonna always be me.
Yeah, no. Some things I just say go.
Yeah, like, suck it up.
Yeah.
But
Do anyone.
But yeah. Damn.
Yeah.
But I don't think I'm hard to deal with.
No, I don't think you're hard to deal with either. Exactly. This is the most me ever see in your, like,
yeah, because I keep to myself a lot.
Yeah.
I don't let people in for real. But when I do let people in, it's because they're worth it.
Yeah. I definitely do know the foreign style though. Yeah, I just never know see you come from town.
Yeah.
Yeah, if me know you come from town,
it would make sense to you.
It'll make sense. It'll make more sense. You see me? Come here and say, yo, where you get the accent from, brother? No Clarendon. That don't make no sense. You see me? That's what I say foreign now, man. You see me?
Yeah.
Brother, low tongue in Jennifer. Low tongue in. Sorry. But low tongue in. Low tongue in.
It's not that bad.
No, you're not that bad.
It's not that bad.
It was funny if you don't say, yo, I talk to her just like this. And she's like, no, Kareem, blah, 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 blah. Like, man, girl, I can't start now, man.
I am speaking normal.
Exactly, but I did not know that she was from the upper echelons of wherever that is in St. Andrew.
Yeah, my people are very sophisticated people.
Okay, sorry, man. Yeah. You don't think I'm Listen. I watch a lot of TV now. Yeah.
Okay, we all do, don't we?
Yeah. So I got my accents also. I don't think I don't.
Okay, well, turn it on.
What you want to
Keep
it? What you want to I got it, bro. My favorite right now is the British accent. You get me?
Oh!
Yeah, I like that right now. Yeah.
No, if I say British, people might come for me. They hate when people say it.
I like it. I did.
No, like, can I get a cup of water? Like, when Sam was here, he hated when people did that.
Dude, he was so posh, though. He was so posh. Such a nice guy.
That's him.
Yeah,
you know.
Very posh, though. You can tell he's, like, Britain. Yeah, not England. He's from Britain. Yeah. Anyway,
Britain.
Tony, thank you. Thanks for reasoning with us. I go see you next season.
Oh, yeah, y'all will.
Yeah. Tonie-Ann Forbes, welcome back. She never left, but she's back. You get me?
Reckon.
Yeah.